Have you ever wondered what hidden secrets the universe holds for us? Imagine being able to tap into the boundless energy that surrounds us, using it to shape our reality, attract abundance, and find profound inner peace. Today, we are embarking on a fascinating exploration to uncover the universe's most profound secrets and understand how these insights can empower us to lead more fulfilling and inspired lives. Universal energy is a concept that suggests a pervasive, unseen force connects everything in the universe. This energy is the foundation of all creation, flowing through every living and non-living thing. By understanding and tuning into this energy, we can transform our perception of life and our place within it. Consider the idea that everything around us is composed of energy, vibrating at different frequencies. This concept is supported by quantum physics, which reveals that at the most fundamental level, everything is energy. By becoming aware of this energy and learning to harness it, we can align ourselves with the natural flow of the universe. Tuning into universal energy involves practices such as meditation, deep breathing, and mindfulness. These practices help us quiet the mind, allowing us to become more receptive to the subtle vibrations of the universe. As we attune ourselves to this energy, we begin to notice changes in our perceptions, emotions, and overall well-being. We feel more connected to the world around us and more aligned with our true purpose. The law of attraction is a powerful principle that suggests our thoughts and feelings have the power to shape our reality. Simply put, we attract what we focus on. If we maintain positive thoughts and emotions, we draw positive experiences and outcomes into our lives. Conversely, if we dwell on negativity, we attract more of the same. Understanding the law of attraction begins with recognizing the importance of our mindset. Our thoughts and emotions are like magnets, pulling similar energies toward us. By cultivating a positive mindset and focusing on our desires, we align ourselves with the energy of those desires, making them more likely to manifest. One practical way to harness the law of attraction is through the use of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that we repeat to ourselves, helping to reprogram our subconscious mind. For example, saying, "I am worthy of love and abundance," can help shift our mindset from one of lack to one of abundance. Visualization is another powerful tool. By vividly imagining our desired outcomes, we create a mental blueprint that the universe can work with to bring those outcomes into reality. Vibrational frequencies are the different rates at which energy vibrates. Everything in the universe, including our thoughts and emotions, has a specific vibrational frequency. Higher frequencies are associated with positive emotions like love, joy, and gratitude, while lower frequencies are linked to negative emotions like fear, anger, and sadness. Understanding vibrational frequencies can help us become more aware of the energy we are emitting and receiving. By raising our vibrational frequency, we can improve our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. This process involves focusing on positive emotions, engaging in activities that bring us joy, and surrounding ourselves with positive influences. Practices such as gratitude journaling, spending time in nature, and engaging in creative activities can help raise our vibrational frequency. When we operate at a higher frequency, we attract more positive experiences and relationships, creating a ripple effect that enhances every aspect of our lives. Intention is a powerful force that directs the flow of universal energy. When we set clear and focused intentions, we channel our energy toward specific goals and desires. This process involves more than just wishful thinking. It requires us to be deliberate and purposeful in our thoughts and actions. Setting effective intentions begins with clarity. We must be clear about what we want to achieve and why it is important to us. Writing down our intentions can help solidify them in our minds and provide a reference point to keep us focused. Once we have clear intentions, we can use visualization and affirmations to reinforce them. It's also important to align our actions with our intentions. This means taking steps toward our goals, even if they are small. By consistently working toward our intentions, we demonstrate our commitment to them, which helps to attract the necessary resources and opportunities from the universe. The principle of abundance is the belief that there is enough for everyone. This mindset contrasts with the scarcity mentality, which focuses on lack and limitation. By adopting an abundance mindset, we open ourselves to the limitless possibilities that the universe has to offer. To cultivate an abundance mindset, we must first recognize and challenge our limiting beliefs. These are the thoughts and patterns that keep us stuck in a scarcity mentality. Common limiting beliefs include thoughts like, "There isn't enough to go around," or "I don't deserve abundance." By identifying and reframing these beliefs, we can shift our focus from lack to abundance. Practicing gratitude is another effective way to foster an abundance mindset. When we focus on what we have, rather than what we lack, we attract more of what we appreciate. This shift in perspective can help us see opportunities and resources that we may have previously overlooked. Gratitude is a powerful practice that can transform our lives by shifting our focus from what we lack to what we have. When we cultivate gratitude, we align ourselves with positive energy, attracting more of the things we appreciate. Practicing gratitude involves regularly reflecting on the things we are thankful for. This can be done through journaling, where we write down things we are grateful for each day. Another approach is to take a few moments each day to silently acknowledge and appreciate the blessings in our lives. Gratitude has a profound impact on our mental and emotional well-being. It helps us to cultivate a positive outlook, reduces stress, and enhances our overall sense of happiness. By making gratitude a regular practice, we can create a positive feedback loop that attracts more positive experiences and relationships into our lives. Intuition is our inner guidance system, a direct connection to the wisdom of the universe. It is the subtle voice that nudges us in the right direction, often without us knowing why. Learning to trust and follow our intuition can lead to profound insights and positive outcomes. Developing our intuition begins with quieting the mind. Practices such as meditation and mindfulness can help us tune into our inner voice. It's also important to pay attention to our feelings and gut reactions, as these are often indicators of our intuitive guidance. Acting on our intuition requires trust and courage. Sometimes our intuition may guide us in directions that don't seem logical or practical. However, by following this inner wisdom, we often find that we are led to exactly where we need to be. Over time, as we learn to trust and act on our intuition, it becomes a reliable source of guidance in our lives. Synchronicities are meaningful coincidences that seem to occur with no apparent cause. These events often feel too significant to be mere chance, leading us to wonder if there is a deeper connection at play. Many believe that synchronicities are signs from the universe, guiding us and providing reassurance that we are on the right path. Noticing and interpreting synchronicities involves staying open and aware of our surroundings. When we encounter a synchronicity, it's important to pause and reflect on its possible meaning. These events often provide insights or answers to questions we have been pondering, or they may confirm that we are aligned with our true path. By paying attention to synchronicities, we can develop a deeper sense of trust in the universe. These meaningful coincidences remind us that we are not alone and that there is a greater intelligence at work, guiding and supporting us on our journey. Nature is a powerful source of inspiration and healing. When we spend time in nature, we reconnect with the natural rhythms and energies of the universe. This connection helps to ground us, providing a sense of peace and balance. Spending time in nature can take many forms, from a simple walk in the park to more immersive experiences like hiking or camping. The key is to be present and mindful, allowing ourselves to fully experience and appreciate the beauty and tranquility of the natural world. Nature also offers valuable lessons about the cycles of life, growth, and renewal. By observing these cycles, we can gain insights into our own lives and learn to trust the natural flow of events. This connection with nature can be a powerful tool for personal growth and healing. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, aware of our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. This state of awareness helps us to connect with the present moment, where the true power of the universe resides. Practicing mindfulness involves paying attention to our breath, sensations in our body, and the details of our environment. It can be as simple as taking a few deep breaths and noticing the feeling of the air entering and leaving our lungs. By bringing our attention to the present moment, we can reduce stress and anxiety, enhance our focus, and deepen our connection with ourselves and the world around us. Mindfulness also helps us to become more aware of our thoughts and emotions, allowing us to observe them without getting caught up in them. This awareness creates space for us to respond to situations with clarity and intention rather than reacting out of habit. By integrating mindfulness into our daily lives, we can cultivate a sense of peace and presence that enhances every aspect of our experience. The universe is full of hidden secrets that have the power to transform our lives. By tuning into universal energy, harnessing the law of attraction, raising our vibrational frequency, setting clear intentions, adopting an abundance mindset, practicing gratitude, trusting our intuition, noticing synchronicities, connecting with nature, and cultivating mindfulness, we can unlock these secrets and align ourselves with the natural flow of the universe. Remember, the universe is always on your side, revealing its secrets to those who seek with an open heart. Embrace these practices and allow them to guide you toward a more fulfilling and inspired life. As you integrate these principles into your daily routine, you'll find that the universe's hidden secrets are not so hidden after all. They are within your reach, ready to be discovered and harnessed for your personal and spiritual growth.